What's up guys, I'm back again. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to add blush to your beauty headshots in Photoshop. I'm sure you'll be wondering what blush is. Blush simply means adding a flash of color to the cheeks. I'm Eko, and this is Type 1 Imagery. Let's get right to it. I hope you've learned a lot, and if you have, kindly like, share, and leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll revert. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order not to miss any of my tutorials. See you in my next video, and keep believing in yourself.